Are you looking for the perfect Father's Day gift? Are you looking for a gift for yourself? Are you looking for a birthday gift? A gift for a friend? Stop looking, stop looking. Just watch this video. I am going to tell you all about SCENTBIRD. Yes, it's like the Netflix of perfume. So if you haven't heard about them yet, it's about time you do. So keep watching. I even have a discount for you. So enjoy. Hey babies! Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video is going to be so amazing. I am so excited about this one. Yes, but before anything, I know you're probably wondering, why is she all done up with her hair up and down and all that stuff? Well, I just filmed a makeup tutorial on this look for my Instagram, so it should be up a little bit later on in the week, so make sure you check for that. My Instagram, by the way, Kimberly Caines, easy to remember. But yeah, today's video is going to be awesome. One second. Oh gosh, I need to have at least 2 cups of coffee before I can function like a normal person. And this is my second cup. If you're new to my channel, my name is Kim and I do videos on beauty, fashion, and a little bit of fitness. And if you like what you see, why don't you go ahead and subscribe? Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything. And if you want to get notified whenever I release a new video, hit the bell next to the subscribe button also. Yeah. And now let's get to the video. Yay! One more sip of coffee. This video is all about SCENTBIRD. Okay guys, so basically SCENTBIRD is a subscription service for perfume. Like how you have subscription boxes for makeup and stuff like that, this is similar to that, only for perfume. That's the best way to explain it, I think. You know, it's like the Netflix of perfume. I don't know if you're like me, but I love smelling good. I love a good perfume. It's like the finishing touch. It makes you feel fabulous, you know. You pick which fragrances you want and they auto ship them to you. Now, normally it costs $14.95 to sign you up for a month. If you use my link below the video, it will only cost you $11.22. Yes, I'm gonna give you 25% off because I think you are fabulous. No, I'm just kidding. Well, that too. But yeah, I get a little kickback from it, but you know, most of all, I'm just happy that I'm able to bring this service to you guys because it's so fabulous. Yes. This is not just a service that's great for me. It's also great to gift to someone. If you know someone loves fragrances, you can get a gift card on their website, send it to that person. You can sign up someone else and pay for it. It is a fabulous gift. And with Father's Day around the corner, or, you know, this weekend, that would be fabulous, right? So let me show you guys what you can expect to get when you sign up for the service. When you sign up your first time, you're gonna get something like this in the mail. Really nice silky pouch that says SCENTBIRD. And when you open the pouch, there's like a holster, which is like a case that it comes in. And when you go like this, the perfume pops out. Yes. Now I think this is Versace Eros, or how do you say that? Eros? Versace Eros? That sounded really Dutch. Okay. Versace Eros or what? Okay. Well, anyways, it's Versace. And I ordered this for my husband. Yes, Father's Day. Oh yeah, they have fragrances for men too. So it's not just women, it's men too. Fabulous, right? So basically when it comes, this is the part I love because it just comes in that. and then you can just spray it on. I'm not going to spray this one because it's for men, but I have one for women too. Let me check it out. I have another one here. Oh, this is a pretty one. Look, matches my eyes. And these holsters, you can order them. I think when you order your first one, it comes with a holster, but there's so many of them. They come in all colors of the rainbow. Yes. So, yeah, it's really important for us girls, you know, when you have a cute purse and you pop it in your purse. Yes. So, I got you. Juicy Couture Viva La Juicy. Now, this is an older fragrance, but I love this fragrance, so I'm going to have to spray it real quick. Oh. If you haven't smelled this scent before, it is really, really, really good. It's an old one, you know, Juicy Couture, but the fragrance is so fabulous. Viva La Juicy indeed. So I got another one too. This comes in a blue holster. How pretty is that? I think this is my favorite color for the holsters. And let's see, this one is, Clinique Happy, which is my summer scent, my hot weather scent. And the weather here is scorching hot. I'm like glowing and stuff. But yeah, this is another favorite of mine. And these have enough perfume in it to last you a whole month. But I have to say, it's probably going to last you longer than a month. But that's on average. I think it's like about 140 sprays. So unless you like, you know, you douse your whole body. I'm going to show you guys the website and the perfumes that they offer. So you guys kind of have an idea of what to expect when you hit that link below and once you sign up. So let's take a look at that right now. So here we are on the website, and really conveniently, if you cannot decide on a fragrance, they will make suggestions based on the type of scent you're looking for, whether it's a floral scent, a sexy scent, flirty. They will make some recommendations. And these are some of the scents that you will find. We've got everything from DKNY, Dolce & Gabbana, Gucci, Versace, you name it, it's on the site. Another way they make recommendations is by having you take a test. They will ask you questions based on your likes and dislikes, and then make suggestions based off of that. It also makes recommendations based on the occasion. Say you're going on a date, you're going to work, it'll make suggestions based off of that. And the same thing goes for the men. Yes. If you're a type who loves sports, they'll make recommendations based off of that. Or if you're looking for a fragrance for the office, they'll make recommendations for that also. Here are some of the gift sets for women, which are gorgeous. Now, of course, you can also give a gift of a subscription or a gift card. So the possibilities seem endless with this service. And if you want to order more of the holsters, there's plenty to choose from on the website also. Once you create a profile, you'll be able to see your queue, which holds all the fragrances that you've chosen to have shipped to you and the month in which they will ship to you. Now, keep in mind, you don't just have to choose one fragrance. If you want to choose 2 fragrances a month, that's fine. You can even pick 3 fragrances and have them shipped to you. This is ideal if you're a husband-wife, boyfriend-girlfriend team. And also, if you find a fragrance you really like and you want the full size, you can purchase it at a discount. Well, guys, I hope you guys liked this video. I feel like it was all over the place. I think my coffee is kind of like going to my head, but it's all good. I thought this would be a great service to bring to you guys. Make sure you check out that link below the video to make sure you get that 25% off, and you only pay $11.22 for your first fragrance. So what do you got to lose, really? Just try it, and if you like perfume, you're gonna love this. So Like, subscribe, and comment, and check back again next Friday. I'll be right here again with another video.